Which one is yours? Yours is the first one. Dad's is the second.
Wait, I thought the house was over there.
Huh?
I thought the house was over there.
Yeah.
Yours is over here. Candy cane.
What you got?
Yeah.
What you got?
Where is it? Keep looking in your stocking.
What is that in there? The picture?
It's a picture. You got some more little good.
Oh yeah, some
Somebody
gum.
get-
You need to get on that gum right now.
Okay.
Turn around,
That's left
Jack.
over from last year. Don't eat that. I ate that last year. Okay, so what you got? Show them what's on your card. Flip it around.
What is that?
What is it?
I will open up the big one. I got a good one this out one. What is it? Okay.
What is it?
Okay.
That little hoverboard thing.
It's somewhere in the house. Now you gotta go find it. It's in the house.
Oh, now I'm playing hide and seek.
Where you going? Where you going? It's in the oven, Taylor. It's being cooked. Oh, oh.
Elf on the shelf. He's looking like for elf on the
It's
shelf.
not in the fridge. Hey, that's not in the fridge. And it's not outside. It's inside.
Right, it's inside the house.
Oh, where's my phone?
Oh, it's falling on the neck. Do not touch it. You can't touch it. No Christmas gift.
That's right. Where's my jacket? You found the jacket?
No. Tell him he's real cold.
You cold right now. You cold. Cold. Uh oh, he's getting a little warmer.
Get away.
He's getting a little warmer.
You're getting hot. You're getting hot.
Smoking.
Yeah.
Wait, I want to have to get off that.
Look at his present.
Huh?
It was in the
What
house.
you look?
You have to whack. Oh,
Now
don't get
stop.
too wet.
Mine.
Right, now I can take snapshots
Good
of
job.
him. Alright, open the rest of your
Alright.
stuff.
Let's see. Here's the rest of your stuff.
Sit down.
Here you go.
Boy, look at that champion got in the hoverboard.
Don't drop it.
Look, when
It's
that's in the
very
whole
heavy.
ball.
It's very, very heavy. And you're gonna have to learn how to ride it.
I remember right.
Mama
How do
couldn't.
you know? I could not.
Because I'm, it's a
You ain't coordinated.
Look, I can ride it. Look,
Let him ride first.
I'm going to show him how to ride it.
Okay. He's never ridden
You
one.
know how to ride it?
Yeah.
And I x-rayed a man's hand last week that rode a hoverboard and broke his hand.
You have to use a refund.
Yeah.
No.
What you got
I
there?
need to save this for
I
Tyler.
think I saw money under mine. I'll put forward.
What is that?
Real tree.
Ooh, wee.
A hoverboard. Man, you gonna be the fastest
Show
thing
him
on
the
the
shirt.
street.
Show him the shirt. You didn't even show him the other side.
Huh?
Real tree. I like.
That champion.
I like.
All right.
I think it's the teacher's bag.
It's next. Now, where's it going?
It's a
Yeah,
it's a
we'll
I
see.
used to say that.
it's a remote control car.
It might be raining. You're not gonna be able to ride it
It's
in the rain.
basketball.
It's
It rains?
electric. Huh? It's during the night.
It's
They
a
give it
go-kart
rain
there.
today. They give it rain every day.
Yeah.
Get after it, Tatum. Got it? Alright.
You need a knife?
On him.
Give him what I did.
Wait, don't cut your hand.
Push-ups. You don't need to do no push-ups.
Excuse me.
Dude.
Huh?
You know what? Once it's the baseball team ready to push up.
You got to get faster though. I know that.
Come on, man. Get it. Can you get the bag out?
What you got? New toothbrush bag.
Are you ready for it?
I think so.
What is that?
It's a carry board.
Oh, yeah, it carries
it. It carries it and you use it like a
Toothbrush
backpack.
bag.
A
What you do,
toothbrush
you wear it
bag.
like a backpack. So hopefully it'll
Track
fit
had the
the
hoverboard? Is that what that is?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. That's a carry bag. You use it like a backpack, and they got like a thing, a part for the battery. So you see, you put your battery in here. Like that. All right, you have one more big gift.
Yeah.
One more big one.
Another one?
It's very light, huh?
I don't know what that is.
Okay, that's like it's white.
It's a remote control car. I know that.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking. It's from like a cat in the gallery or
Oh yeah, we did like this time. It's from a cat.
It's not a baby drone.
I have it pushed up to your fingers. Son.
A what?
Touch yourself.
A baby drone.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Let's see what you got.
Oh, I'm playing Chinese Christmas, Mama.
Oh, good.
He is playing. It's a bunch of bags. Keep looking.
No way y'all did this.
What is that?
Yes!
Let me see.
It's a fire
Wait a minute.
bag.
That was Trey's.
Yes!
That's the wrong box. She marked it wrong, Taylor. She marked it wrong. That was Trey's
No,
box.
she didn't mark it wrong this time. This is
No.
mine.
Show it up. Show it up. Let's see. Oh, what you got?
Get the 5.
Here, Trey.
And it's got a dinosaur.
No, it's not a dinosaur. And guess what? Ours is the same color.
Yours is bigger.
That's all right. Not much. Don't drop it,
I
buddy.
won't be in the picture. Picking up trash.
It's the silver.
And be careful with that.
Right, yeah, be very.
Hey,
You should have that on the, put that on the back so we can get a case.
Look.
That clear you just took off.
Look at my check.
So much better.
It's
Good
dead.
things come in
Hey,
small things come in
Is it
big
hollow?
packages.
yeah, you heard that? Listen
Small
wrong.
things come in big packages. Some big
So did I
things
trick
come-
you this Christmas?
Nuh-uh. Well, big things from a small package, like you put just a car keys in there, you know? Let's go look outside.
Yeah,
Ain't
right.
got a dick, 'cause I thought you were
So you
just
better start
giving
going
me
pick. So you better start going picking weeds at the Sand Brothers house
baby,
next
you're
door.
Welcome.
Oh,
I love
that
you.
makes you happy.
so
That
sweet.
makes you happy. You like?
So you surprised you got both?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got
You
both.
must have been a good boy.
All right, but don't write
Where's your stocking?
Right there.
All right, let's
All right, now you gotta watch Trey. He watched you.
And that's
Wait, let me get.